Asuntoskeittiö Kaarnkallio.
Yes, it's a beautiful name of this building. Amazing original with an interior instead. And this was built in 1970, turning 50 years old this year in 2020. The serial number is H18870 and it still has the NPN6 1960 style buttons.
Yeah, it's very rare in Kerava.
Wow, that's amazing. We found it today here in Savio, Kerava, Uusimaa, Finland, Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Finland. And it's got 6 floors. There's also staircase A, which we're gonna try to get into later.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2022. And it's got this, also the stop and alarm button same. Very amazing. But we have to get inside here.
It's bad leveling because it's maintained by engineering company.
Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm filming this or not. I wasn't even filming. On my okay, so today it is the 2nd of October 2020. It is Männiköntie 296B in Savio, Kerava.
Männiköntie.
Yeah, Männiköntie actually. Yeah. Uusimaa, Finland, Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Finland. This was built in 1970, turning 50 years old this year in 2020. And the serial number is H18870. It's going to be inspected in 2022. I hope it's filming this time.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva inspectant, maintained by Spohis.
Yeah. Bad leveling because it's a generic company.
Yeah.
Maintaining it. But it's very rare in Kerava.
Yeah.
The capacity is 4 versus 20 grams. And there's also a staircase A here.
Yeah. I think there are only 5 NPN6 elevators in Kerava nowadays.
Yeah, we're gonna get them all filmed.
Yeah, but one of them is, or 2 of them are freight elevators, and they are not accessible.
Yeah.
I think.
So 3.
Yeah. Yeah. 2 have all, and I also have filmed one before. That's
so there's 2.
yeah.
That's it.